Mediation allows the parties, I think especially plaintiffs, to have a say in how their case is resolved. It also has the potential of resolving a case much earlier than trial and much less expensively. Personal injury cases, like any other case, have a cost of production, and often that cost is not recovered at trial. I've been mediating personal injury cases for many, many years. Each year, I have 3 or 4 of these cases that go to jury trials. Rarely does the plaintiff do better with the jury financially than the settlement offer that has been made at or closely following a mediation. I think there are a couple of things that are perhaps unique to personal injury cases, or many of them. One is the high degree of emotion and focus on the part of the claimant. Many injured parties, for reasons that I don't completely understand, often empower their injury with a control over the rest of their life that is somewhat disproportionate. This is unfortunate, and it often continues through trial. Unfortunately for these folks, trial isn't going to fix that, and trial doesn't give them any control over the outcome at all. So I think the degree of emotion and focus for many plaintiffs continually strikes me as unusual and as a difficult dynamic to deal with. What I do for these and other mediations is have pre-mediation phone calls with the lawyers in virtually all cases. I learn a lot from these phone calls, and the calls are usually made separately to plaintiff and defendants, lawyers. I also read the written submissions very carefully. I want to know, in addition, who's planning to come to the mediation, and has there been a demand made by the plaintiff to the insurance company or self-insured corporation or governmental agency involved? Usually it's one of these 3 parties that's critical to enabling a financial settlement. And if they're not prepared and informed, the mediation will go nowhere. If the case doesn't settle at mediation, and certainly some do not, I continue to work with the parties by telephone, email. Occasionally we have second, or even more rarely, third mediations. But more often the follow-up is informal and usually successful in getting the case resolved.